how to include gold as an investment in your portfolio. All that glitters is not gold, but does gold glitter in your portfolio? This is what you are going to see today, and there is an interesting investment product which I'm going to reveal towards the end of the session, towards the end of the video, where you will be amazed to see how to invest in a gold mining company from India, right? So if you're someone looking for that, please watch the video, and I'll be sharing some interesting updates about why you should invest in gold right now and for the coming years, and how much portfolio you should hold. Right. So hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and today's topic is all about how to include gold as an investment in your portfolio. As a general people, retailers like us, we will all automatically have gold as in jewelry, right? So as per Indian government stats, almost 24,000 tons of gold is available in each household. So that is the kind of gold each household is having. But are we utilizing those things? Because generally it gets from one family, it goes to the other family through the way of marriages, and if anything is needed, people will go and buy gold for auspicious things, and still tantras and all these things are coming up. But why you should invest in gold right now and at this moment, and that too in the last 1.5 years, last 1 year, and that too specifically in the last 5 months, gold prices has gone up like anything. And if you look at 10 grams of gold price, from 34,000 it went up to more than 55,000, and currently it came around 50,000. So that is the kind of price increase the gold has seen in the last few months. And should you invest right now? That is the kind of question so many of you have, and we have so much uncertainty, and gold is considered as an inflation hedge. That is what people say, but that is becoming somewhat not true, because inflation did increase in the US for the last more than 13-14 years. They are trying to increase inflation. It's not happening. And even in Japan, there is no inflation. There is always deflation for the last 20+ years. I think from 1990 there is deflation scenario, and they are trying hard to bring inflation in Japan. So inflation as a gold as an inflation hedge tool, I don't think it's going, that statement is going to be there for even now. And but right now, why you should invest in gold? The first thing is uncertainty, and you all know, because of corona, all across the world people are not clear what they are doing and what they need to do. And one thing which is clear is uncertainty. Yes, that is what is there. Because second wave of people are saying second wave is happening in European countries, and even in India the peak has not happened. Still the peak is happening. Within the last 2 weeks we had increased by 20 lakhs. The number of count, we reached 50 lakhs of people. So that is the kind of growth, almost doubled in the last 2 weeks. So that is the kind of growth coronavirus is showing, but GDP is not sure. GDP is declining by double digit, more than 23% in the last quarter. So that is a kind of uncertainty which is happening in the country right now. This is specific to India, but all across the world there is a uncertainty, like whether until and unless the vaccine comes and it proves something, like it acts as a immunity booster for everybody. Until then, there is a clear uncertainty. People are going to lose jobs. The world is going to go back by at least few years. And in India, the kind of growth whatever we did to improve the poverty of people in the last 30 years, that has declined already by 10%. That is what people are saying. These are official government data. I'm saying, I'm saying all the official data said by all the economists till now, right? So uncertainty is clear, as you all know, right? And because of uncertainty, easy money is happening in all the European nations, and as well as in US. And especially US, if you've seen March last week, corona came in, it grown like anything, but by April they gave the stimulus, and because of which easy money has started flowing into the hands of people, and they started investing in they started trading in stock market, and the wise people, they started putting their money in gold, which is a reliable asset because it keeps growing. I will be showing the data of during uncertainty how gold prices had increased during the last Great Recession in 2008. It's called Great Recession, it's not Great Depression. Great Depression is 1930. So Great Recession during 2008, gold started increasing. I'll be showing the data in quite a while right now. So easy money is still available, and US, they are trying too hard to provide the second set of stimulus, and we are waiting, everybody are waiting whether the stimulus will be announced and how long it will take, and because elections is going to happen in US by November. So this is how the easy money is happening in European nations as well as in US. And if you look at any other revenue, gold is something like physical, as well as during uncertainty people will believe only in gold. And right now, whatever people are investing in stock market in US, China, European nations, and in India, people can take the money out easily. But one avenue where people will then go, the people who are taking money here, they will go to gold as an investment, because it's hard, and you can feel that emotional connect is there. Still people who are old ages, I mean people who are above 50, 60, they still believe in gold because they had seen all the recessions, all the uncertainties in the last 20, 30 years. So this is one of the reliable asset. That is the reason people are going back to gold right now. And if you look at the arguments that and there are three ways to invest in gold, and there are arguments even that Warren Buffett started buying gold, but the point is he's not investing in gold, he is investing in gold mining company, again a business. It's not a gold as a commodity. He still goes with gold as a commodity. It's of no use because it's just a metal and it's not going to be of any use. But if you look at Robert Kiyosaki, the advocate of rich dad, he says that gold and silver are one asset which I will keep investing more than stock market. I will invest in that. There are people who are in opposite extremes. These two guys have done a lot in increasing the stock market knowledge across the world, and this guy has increased the knowledge of people to come towards financial freedom by way of promoting through Rich Dad Poor Dad book, and everybody started loving it. So two extreme ideas, but what you can do, you can include gold as an investment. If you already have a jewelry for more than your physical assets, please stick with it. Don't buy, increase your gold as an investment, and as an jewelry you can buy. I don't mind because it's your family. You can buy for your wife, you can buy for yourself, you can buy for your kids. It can do. But gold as an investment, this is what people started investing in India for the last few years, and that too during Dhanteras, people started buying gold coins and all those stuff. Instead of doing that, there are three other options. I'll be showing three options right now. Gold ETF. This is one thing where gold ETF is nothing but instead of buying 1 gram of gold, you can buy one unit of mutual fund, which is a gold. So for example, right now the 24 karat gold price is around 5,000, and the one gold ETF will be around 5,000. So if you want to buy on a monthly basis, you can buy here, and there is no physical security needed because it's online. It will be available in your demat, and if you want, you can sell it off. And gold sovereign bond, people started government started giving sovereign bonds in the last few years, and the advantage with sovereign bond is that you will get 2.5% interest every 6 months, and after 5 years you can sell. There is a lock-in of 5 years, and the point is after 5 years, if the gold prices goes down, you will be locked. You will be forced to, you can hold it till 8th year, but even after 8 years, if the gold price is not going up, you'll be losing your money and you'll be selling at a much lesser price. So this is a lock with sovereign bonds, and if you need money after 5 years, you should be waiting for another 1 or 2 years. That is the only lock I see with gold sovereign bond. And the final point is a gold mutual fund, the third option, where in gold mutual fund you can buy in small units of 20-30 rupees. There are n number of mutual funds which is available, and you can invest. And these mutual funds, gold mutual funds, invest in gold ETF or gold as an physical asset. So what it means is that if the gold price is increasing, automatically the gold fund is going to give you good returns, or else the price is not going to go up. So that is the only catch here. But you can buy in small units, even 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. But when it comes to gold ETF, you need to buy as a 1 gram gold, or at least half a gram, which Quant Mutual Fund alone is giving us half a gram of gold, and you need to pay at least 2,500 or 2,800. Right now the price of gold is that much. And let me show you the gold rates of what has happened in the last few years. So this is the data which is happening in the last few years. If you look at the 2008 data, 2007, the gold price was around 10,800, and the price had increased to 31,000 in a span of 5 years. Look at the kind of growth. It's almost like more than 150, 200%, more than 250% in a span of 5 years. But look at 2012 and look at 2019, 2018. It's almost like 6 to 7 years. The price has gone down. Price has not breached that level. For the last 7 years, the price has not increased, and right from 2018 till now, the price of in 2020, right now the price is around 52,000 or 51,000. In the last 10 years, if you see, the price has increased by 25%, and that has happened only in a span of 2 years. So in a span of 2 years, and if you look at the data of 2008 and 2009, let me show it again. 2008 and 2009, 2007 10,800, and the price started increasing slowly for the next 5 years, and the next growth is happening right now. See, from 31,438 it started increasing. Right now it's around 52,000. The price had declined by almost 10 to 15% in the 10 to 15% in the last few months. Last 1 month alone, I think around 10% it has declined. But is this an opportunity to buy? If you are looking at it as an investment, you can go and buy gold, but it's difficult to play the cards. But looking at the uncertainty which is prevailing right now, and looking at the uncertainty which may be there for the next 2 to 3 years, and we are emerging country, and the problem is going to be huge, and that is a problem even with most of the developed countries as well. And looking at these conditions, gold price might increase the way it has panned out in here, during Great Recession 2008 to 2012, and that is what even Warren Buffett has invested. He has invested more than $500 million in Barrick Gold Company. It's a mining company. So what am I coming now? Should I invest in a mining company? Yes, but the answer is difficult, because in India there is no mining company, because we don't have any gold mines. Only one gold mine was there. It was which was in Karnataka, Kolar gold mine, and it has been closed because the cost of mining was more than the gold price. So people started, it was closed immediately. It was closed I think 1 decade back or sometime, and there is no other gold mine in India. So how can I invest in a gold mine company? I want to invest. So this is an option which I'm going to show you, as well as I'm going to compare what are the other things, which is DSP World Gold Fund. This is one company, this is one mutual fund which is unique. It's a gold fund and it invests only in a gold mine company. And let me say why it is a best. Let me share the data, live data, and hope you are all able to see this. And okay, this is the DSP World Gold Fund. Look at the data here. The first the second data, if you look at last year to date data, last 1 year data is 58%, and last 5 years is 22%, last 2 years is 50%. But look, compare it with Kotak Gold Fund or HDFC Gold Fund or Nippon India Gold Fund, the returns are more than 20% lesser. 20%. Last 1 year data, it's almost like 21%. Last 2 years, it's 19%. And do you see why it is a difference in between DSP Gold Fund and Kotak or HDFC or any other? Compare any other fund. The only difference, you have all the other funds, but everybody, they are showing double digit. But look at the 5 years data, it's giving 22%, and most of the returns that came only in the last 2 years, right from 2018, this fund started doing good. And the only difference what I see is the portfolio. This is the portfolio of this is the portfolio, and look at the companies. The Barrick Gold Corporation, this is the company which Warren Buffett has invested, and these are the other gold mines which is available across the world. So these are the companies which DSP World Gold Fund is investing through BlackRock, and it's called fund of fund offer. So that is one of the great thing about DSP Gold Fund. So if you are someone who wants to hold a business, and if you want to hold a gold mining business, and this is a fund you should choose right now. And look at the SIP returns for the last from the time of inception for the more than 10 years. It's 10.88%, which is really good. And if you're holding 10 to 15% of your portfolio on gold, and this is one fund you can choose even for SIP right now. But as a lump sum investment or whatever for the next 2 to 3 years, this fund might do good, but it's a sector specific. It's only related to gold fund, and only gold mining companies and silver mining companies are available. Let me show you the complete portfolio. So this is the complete portfolio. Look at the gold, most of the things are gold, and look at the sector allocation. This is the sector allocation, 89% it's gold, and the remaining 7.7% is silver, and the total portfolio is 98. So hope it's clear. This makes things clear, right? This is one of the best fund in the last 2 years, and if you look at the last 5 years, they does more than 20% returns, which you will not get anywhere in mutual funds, and only few funds which will give more than 20%. This is one fund which can give. And if you're someone who wants to invest in gold for the next 2 years and you want to invest a lump sum or SIP, please do that in this scenario. And there might be a sector risk, but if you can stay invested for the next 4 to 5 years, this fund will do good. Probably you'll get double-digit returns as well. So hope you like the video, and if you like the fund, please go and invest. And if you need any further information, you can post your comments in the below comment section. I can answer your queries. So if you need further information about DSP Gold Fund and how did you find this fund for investing, please post your questions. And how you look at gold as an investment. Do you want to go and invest right now, or do you want to hold back, or what are your queries, what are your thoughts about gold as an investment? And are you reallocating your investments right now, because market is at huge high valuations, and on one side market is going up and up and people are saying go and invest, and other side the sectoral risk is increasing. GDP has gone down, and slowly the things are going out of hands for India. We are supposed to be a $5 trillion economy by 2025, but looking at the way the things are going out of hand, government is not having money to give it to the states, and the real problem because of Corona, economic crisis is coming like anything after Corona. So things are going out of hands for India as an economy, but where are you putting your investments? Where are you having your money? It needs to be seen. Please take control of your funds. Please take control of your portfolio, because once lost, or once things are going out of hands, you can't take your money out because it might be in losses. So time to reallocate your portfolio, time to look at where you need to invest your money. So if you liked it, please post your comments in the section, and if you feel that your friend also should need this information, please feel free to share this video with your friends. Let them also watch, and let them also get informations about this DSP Gold Fund, and how they should invest, how they should choose gold as an investment in their portfolio. Not as in jewelry. If you are investment, it's purely 24 karat gold. Don't go for 22 karat gold. Again, the risk and everything has been said in the previous section, so please go and watch the video again. Watch invest in gold mutual fund or gold ETF or gold sovereign bond, but my take will be investing with gold DSP World Gold Fund. That is one of the good thing which I feel. So thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends, and please share your comments. How did you like the video, and do you want to include gold as an investment in your portfolio? Thank you.